Hey everyone, happy Friday. I'm Renee. Welcome to my channel, Created by Renee. I wanted to jump on here real quick and make a video to tell you some of the topics that I've been working on for this channel. I'm an artist and I've been wanting to get this channel up and running for literally years. I've sold my work online, been published, and appeared on television for my work. I feel like I have so much fun, creative stuff to share. So I've got lots of different techniques to share, original projects and my version of trending projects. I'm currently editing some of my first videos, some of which will be creative quickies, others will be like longer, more involved technique videos. I'll also be sharing unique DIYs geared towards staying home and using what you already have on hand. Organization inspo, and even art and craft supply reviews. If you're one of my friends on social media, you may have wondered how I made something that I shared. Well, now's a good time to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified when my videos become live and you don't miss anything. There's one more big reason I'm here. You. I'm here for what I can learn from you. I envision building a vibrant creative community of friends who inspire each other and share ideas. And I hope you click the subscribe button and come along for the ride because it's going to be good. My official launch date is going to be Sunday, August 30th. And if you subscribe before that, then you'll know when the video becomes live. Until then, you may see another teaser or two, so keep your eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Make sure this thing is still taping. Okay.